Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This week, we're diving into the exciting world of open source software, specifically highlighting some of the top trending GitHub projects that are making waves in the developer community. From AI-powered image editing to platforms that simplify selling digital products, we've curated a list of projects that will inspire and empower you, regardless of your skill level. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. Project number 1, MagicQuill, the future of image editing. Let's take a look at an incredible new project that's changing the game in image editing. MagicQuill, an intelligent, interactive image editing system. Now, what makes MagicQuill so special is its unique blend of a user-friendly interface with powerful AI capabilities. Forget complicated software. MagicQuill makes image editing accessible to everyone. At the heart of MagicQuill are 3 innovative editing brushes: the Add brush, the Subtract brush, and the Color brush. The Add brush is your go-to tool for introducing new elements or details. Want to add a hat to your subject or create a fantastical landscape? Just sketch your idea with the Add brush and watch as MagicQuill's AI brings it to life. The Subtract brush works like magic too. Simply brush over anything you want to remove and it vanishes. No more painstakingly selecting and deleting unwanted objects. Lastly, the Color brush offers precise control over color application, allowing you to recolor elements or add vibrant splashes of color to your image. But the magic doesn't stop there. MagicQuill's AI is constantly learning and evolving. As you draw, the Draw and Guess feature intelligently predicts your intentions, often filling in the prompts for you. And with a suite of intuitive canvas tools, you can easily upload images, erase mistakes, resize and manipulate your strokes, and even undo and redo actions. For those who like to tinker, MagicQuill offers advanced parameter control, allowing you to fine-tune the generation process and experiment with different artistic styles. Ready to unleash your inner artist? MagicQuill provides instructions on setting up and running the system so you can start creating amazing images today. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of MagicQuill and experience the future of image editing. Project number 2, AlphaFold 3, predicting the 3D structure of proteins. Let's explore a revolutionary project in the field of structural biology called AlphaFold 3. This project is changing the game by predicting the 3D structures of proteins with incredible accuracy. Imagine being able to see the intricate folds and shapes of these tiny building blocks of life. This knowledge is crucial for understanding how proteins function and their role in health and disease. AlphaFold 3 achieves this breakthrough using deep learning algorithms trained on massive amounts of protein sequence and structural data. Think of it like an AI detective that has studied thousands of protein cases and can now predict the structure of a new protein just by looking at its sequence. But what makes AlphaFold 3 truly unique is that it's an open source project available on GitHub. This means researchers worldwide can access the code, run it on their own machines, and even contribute to its development. While you need to request access to the model parameters from Google DeepMind, the source code and installation instructions are freely available. The potential applications of AlphaFold 3 are mind-blowing. It can accelerate drug discovery, help us understand diseases better, and even guide the design of new proteins with specific functions. So, if you're interested in the cutting edge of biology and AI, be sure to check out AlphaFold 3 on GitHub. Project number 3, ScenicFlow. Effortlessly create engaging video presentations. Let's explore an exciting open source project hosted on GitHub called ScenicFlow. This project is all about making it super easy to create dynamic and engaging video presentations. Imagine crafting your videos scene by scene, like a visual storyboard. That's the power of ScenicFlow. What makes this project so special is that it gives you the flexibility to create scenes manually or let the power of AI do the work for you. Want complete control over every detail? No problem. Just add your text and images manually. But if you're looking for a faster and more automated approach, ScenicFlow has you covered there too. It seamlessly integrates with LangFlow, an AI platform that can generate scenes automatically based on your input. Talk about a time saver. And the best part? Since ScenicFlow is open source, you can access the code, tweak it to your liking, and even contribute to the project. This means you can customize it to perfectly fit your needs and be part of a vibrant community of creators. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a business owner, or just someone who wants to make awesome videos, ScenicFlow is a fantastic tool. Project number 4, LocalAI, your personal AI powerhouse, no GPU required. Hey everyone! Are you fascinated by the possibilities of AI but feel limited by expensive cloud services or the need for powerful hardware? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to LocalAI, a revolutionary open source project that puts the power of AI directly into your hands. LocalAI is a free alternative to platforms like OpenAI, allowing you to run sophisticated AI models right on your own computer, even without a dedicated GPU. Imagine generating creative text, transforming text to speech and back, creating stunning images, even cloning voices, all without relying on external servers or paying subscription fees. LocalAI makes all this possible by running various model architectures like GGUF, transformers, and diffusers, compatible with popular AI models available on platforms like Hugging Face. You can even leverage the power of distributed computing with LocalAI's peer-to-peer, P2P inferencing, collaborating with others to process AI tasks. LocalAI is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a web UI for managing models, a model gallery showcasing available AI models, and detailed documentation to get you started. And since it's an open source project on GitHub, you can explore the code, contribute to its development, and join a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, a student, or just curious about AI, LocalAI opens up a world of possibilities. Project number 5, DuckDuckGPT, AI-powered search, right in your DuckGo. Do you love the privacy-focused approach of DuckDuckGo, but sometimes wish it had the AI capabilities of ChatGPT? Well, get ready to have your cake and eat it too. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to DuckDuckGPT, an amazing open-source project that brings the power of GPT-4o right into your DuckDuckGo searches. This project, available on GitHub, is essentially a user script that you can easily install using browser extensions like TamperMonkey, ViolentMonkey, or ScriptCat. These extensions are compatible with a wide range of browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera, making DuckDuckGPT accessible to almost everyone. Once installed, DuckDuckGPT seamlessly integrates with your DuckDuckGo searches, allowing you to ask complex questions and receive detailed, AI-generated responses. But here's the best part. DuckDuckGPT is designed with privacy in mind. If you're concerned about sharing your data with OpenAI, you can enable proxy mode. This clever feature retrieves text responses from GPT-4o without needing a ChatGPT account, adding an extra layer of privacy to your searches. And since DuckDuckGPT is an open source project, you can always explore the code on GitHub and see exactly how it works. So, if you're looking for a way to enhance your DuckDuckGo searches with the intelligence of AI while keeping your privacy intact, DuckDuckGPT is the perfect solution. Project number 6, AI Logo Generator. Create stunning logos in seconds. Are you starting a new business or project and need a professional logo? But maybe you're not a designer and don't know where to start? Well, I've got great news for you. There's an awesome open source project on GitHub called AI Logo Generator that lets you create amazing logos with the power of AI, absolutely free. This project, created by Nutlope, uses Flux Pro 1.1 on Together AI, a powerful AI model specifically trained to design logos. You don't need any fancy software or design skills. Just head over to the website at www.logocreator.io, type in your brand name, and the AI will generate multiple logo options for you. You can then customize the styles, colors, and fonts to your liking. The AI logo generator is built using Next.js with TypeScript, which makes the logo creation process super fast and smooth. It also uses Shadcn for UI components and Tailwind for styling, ensuring a user-friendly and visually appealing experience. And because it's open source, developers can contribute to its development, making it even better over time. The project is constantly being updated with new features. Some of the planned updates include SVG export, support for more styles, and a dashboard to view your logo history. They're even planning to add a feature that lets you upload a reference logo, and the AI will use a vision model to incorporate elements from it into your new logo. So if you're looking for a free, easy, and an AI-powered way to create a professional logo, be sure to check out the AI Logo Generator. Project number 7, Polar. Effortlessly sell your digital products with this open source platform. Hey developers, are you tired of wrestling with payment gateways, grappling with global tax regulations, and managing the complexities of customer subscriptions? I've got a solution that'll make your life easier. Polar, an open source merchant of record platform that handles all the heavy lifting of selling digital products so you can focus on what you love, coding. Polar lets you sell anything digital, from SaaS subscriptions and software licenses to ebooks, online courses, and even access to exclusive content like Discord channels or private GitHub repositories. Think of it as a free and open source alternative to popular platforms like Lemon Squeezy and Paddle. It's incredibly easy to use and takes only minutes to set up. Polar handles all the essentials: billing, receipts, customer accounts, sales tax, VAT, and more, regardless of where your customers are located. But the real magic of Polar lies in its open source nature and developer-centric approach. The project is hosted on GitHub, meaning you can explore the code, contribute to its development, and customize it to your specific needs. Polar offers a powerful API and SDKs for JavaScript and Python, allowing seamless integration with your existing projects. This open and collaborative philosophy extends to the Polar community, where you can connect with other developers, share ideas, and help shape the future of the platform. Polar is built on a robust technology stack that combines the power of Python, Fast API, TypeScript, and Next.js. The platform leverages a monorepo structure, ensuring efficient code management and a cohesive development experience. So if you're ready to break free from the shackles of traditional payment processing and embrace a truly developer-friendly platform for selling your digital creations, Polar is the answer. Project number 8, Letta, building next-gen AI apps with memories. Are you ready to take your AI applications to the next level? Let's talk about Letta, an open-source framework that allows you to build LLM applications with memory. Formerly known as MemGPT, Letta empowers you to create stateful agents, AI agents that can remember past interactions, learn from experiences, and hold meaningful conversations over extended periods. Imagine building a chatbot that remembers your preferences, or a virtual assistant that learns your daily routines and anticipates your needs. That's the power of Letta. This framework is model agnostic, meaning you can use your favorite large language models like OpenAI, Hugging Face, or Llama. Letta is designed to be user-friendly, offering multiple installation options. You can easily get started using pip, or opt for Docker for production environments. Letta provides a command line interface to create and interact with your agents, as well as an API server and an agent development environment, ADE, for a more comprehensive development experience. Imagine a world where your AI applications can understand context, maintain continuity, and provide truly personalized experiences. That's the world Letta helps you build. And the best part? Letta is an open source project with a thriving community. You can find Letta on GitHub, explore the code, and contribute to its development. The Letta community is active on Discord, offering support and fostering collaboration. Letta is a testament to the power of open source collaboration, bringing the future of intelligent applications closer to reality. Project number 9, Repomix, preparing your code for AI. Are you excited about the possibilities of using AI for code analysis, review, and documentation? If so, you need to check out Repomix, a command line tool that makes it super easy to prepare your code base for use with large language models like Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. Repomix takes your entire code repository and packages it into a single AI-friendly file. This might seem simple, but it's actually quite powerful. LLMs have limited context windows, meaning they can only process a certain amount of text at once. Repomix not only condenses your code, but also provides summaries and structures the output in a way that AI can easily understand. One of the coolest features of Repomix is that it offers multiple output styles: plain text, XML, and Markdown. The XML format is particularly interesting because it uses tags, which may help AI models like Claude parse your code more effectively. Repomix is also incredibly customizable. You can use include and ignore patterns to specify exactly which files you want to include in the output. This is great for filtering out large binary files or test data. You can even add a separate file with custom instructions for the AI, providing extra context about your project. And don't worry about accidentally sharing sensitive information. Repomix includes a built-in security check using SecretLint to scan for potential security risks. Repomix is a must-have tool for any developer looking to leverage the power of AI. It's open source, easy to use, and makes it incredibly simple to get your code ready for AI analysis and other tasks. Project number 10, CogVideo and CogVideo X, open source AI for creating videos from text and images. Get ready to be amazed by the world of AI-powered video creation. Today, we're exploring CogVideo and CogVideo X, groundbreaking open source projects that let you generate videos from text prompts and even images. Imagine typing a cat riding a unicorn through a rainbow field and having AI create a video of that scene. That's the power of these projects. CogVideo, released in 2022, was a pioneering project representing the first open source, large, transformer-based model for text-to-video generation. This paved the way for its successor, CogVideo X, a series of models released throughout 2024. Each CogVideo X model offers unique capabilities, higher resolutions, and more efficient inference, making them accessible to a wider audience. CogVideo X is more than just text to video. It also supports image-to-video generation and video continuation. This means you can give the model an image and a text prompt, and it will generate a video incorporating both. You can also give it an existing video, and it will continue the sequence based on your instructions. One of the most impressive aspects of CogVideo X is its commitment to accessibility. The models can run on various GPUs, including consumer-grade cards like the RTX 3060, thanks to optimizations and support for quantized inference. This allows you to generate videos even on hardware with limited memory. The developers have also made it easy to integrate CogVideo X with popular deep learning frameworks like SATAT and diffusers. They provide detailed instructions and code examples for both inference and fine-tuning, making the project approachable for both beginners and experienced developers. The CogVideo and CogVideo X projects are fantastic examples of the power of open-source collaboration. They've fostered an active community of developers and enthusiasts who contribute code, share ideas, and create tools to make these projects even more powerful and user-friendly. So, if you're ready to explore the cutting-edge world of AI-powered video generation, check out CogVideo and CogVideo X. And that wraps up our look at some of this week's hottest open source GitHub projects. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore each project in more detail. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech deep dives. And let us know in the comments which project you're most excited to try out. See you next time.